And the things I got, I generally feel like this mystery box was like handpicked for me. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at the moment, so make sure that you have that notification bell turned on just so you don't miss any of them videos, but also just in case I do any bonus videos or YouTube shorts in between. So if you're wondering anything about this makeup vlog, it might already be up, it might not. If it's already up, I'll leave a link down below, but it's my full face testing pre-mark makeup. It's a really exciting one. I literally have a product exploded on me. It's all over my walls, it's all on the floor, I've had to clean everything. Another product was mouldy, and then there was also some products in there that were absolutely like run out the house right now and go buy this product. So it's a really juicy one. So yeah, if it's already up, like I said, I'll leave a link down below. If not, it's coming very soon. So make sure that notification bell is turned on. Again, I still said it wrong. Make sure it's turned on so you don't miss it. Anyways, so at the beginning of Feb, I randomly just got an email from beautybay saying you have like exclusive access a day before to buy this mystery box, and it was a beauty crop mystery box, and it wasn't a cheap one. It was £40, so it was like a lot of money for a mystery box. And I thought, you know what, I literally only have a very select few things from the beauty crop, and the things that I have are mainly things that like you would pick a colour for, so I feel like you wouldn't get it in a mystery box like concealer, foundation and stuff. And then hopefully I'll have a full face of beauty crop for me to do on my TikTok. So I picked up this mystery box. Like I said, it was £40 from beautybay. It literally just came like this. So yeah, I'm really excited. And the things I got, I generally feel like this mystery box was like handpicked for me. Obviously it wasn't. I ordered it on beautybay and it's just a mystery box, but I'm just buzzing with the things that I've got. So the first thing that I got was this Sangria eyeshadow palette. Packaging is insane to begin with, and their eyeshadow palettes are actually really expensive. That's one of the things that I was really missing from doing like a full face of beauty crop, so I'm really happy about this. So that's what the packaging looks like when you open it up, and then look at this colour story. If you go on my YouTube, it's all like purple themed. My thumbnails kind of like all match up. It's my vibe, and this is purple, right up my street. And then this is what the palette looks like. So we have some gorgeous colours in here. I love that we have like a deeper, darker matte in here, and not just like a load of dark shimmers, which is normally the case. And we also have like a full-on glitter in here as well. So you best believe when I test my beauty crop stuff on TikTok, I might even do a video on my YouTube as well and do some TikToks at the same time. I will definitely be trying that palette because just wow. The only thing that I got in here, which is something that I already have, is this brush. So this is the Beauty Crop, what are you called? The Vitamin Babe Concealer Brush. And that's because when they did a Black Friday sale, I don't know if you saw my Black Friday hauls, I bought this because I saw so many people using it, but especially Amelia Oliver, I think she's called, and she would use it to kind of put it on her concealer, and yeah, I just thought I really liked it. So that's the only thing I have two of, which I'm happy about because it takes me a long time to wash my brushes, so at least I'll have like two on rotate then. And then I also got this palette, which again, you all know I'm a warm bronzer kind of gal. This is like perfection. This is the Cocoa Bronze Bronzer Palette, and it says in the back that it's cruelty-free and vegan, and we have sand cocoa, toasted cocoa and spiced rum in here, and this is the colours, and then that is what it looks like up close. So it'd be interesting to see what this is like on my skin, because I feel like I'd have to mix like maybe these two. I might even just see what that's like by itself, and then maybe that might be like a good like contour one, and then that one's shimmery. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that because it's just a weird colour combination, but maybe it'll work because I've literally just tried, like I said, the pre-mark stuff, and if I'd probably swatched the contour cream in the shop, I probably wouldn't have bought it. I would have went for a warmer one, but it actually is perfection. And when I blended it out, it went like a bit more warm, but it had like the coolness for it to still be like a contour. It was perfect. So yeah, I'm excited to like push myself away fully from like orange bronzers. Obviously there is still like a warm tone in there, but yeah, just to try something a bit different. I also got a blush duo in here. So this is the Stargazing Blush Duo. And then when you open it, it's like black packaging. And then the inside, this again is really, really nice and very me, because it's a very like neutral blush that would go with like any kind of look. So it'll go nice when I actually try the eyeshadow palette. As you can tell, I'm really excited to try some other brands, because I feel like I've just been, well, to be fair, recently I haven't been trying anything, but it just feels nice to be like playing with a new brand that I haven't really tried before. And then another thing, I'm going to just shake this up because all the shimmers like stuck at the bottom. Another thing in my box, which is like absolutely insane, is the Cocoa Gold Mist. So obviously the primer is absolutely amazing for this. From what I've seen on TikTok, I can't remember if I've got this. I feel like I did buy this in my beauty crop drawer. But yeah, really excited. Again, gold, right up my street, bit of me. And then last but not least, which is actually a product again that I needed for my full face test in beauty crop, is a lip crayon. This is the Smoothie Stick lip crayon, which is like, again, a purpley colour, which will go, oh, that was a horrible noise, which will go so nice together. I feel like this was just like an amazing mystery box, but especially because I don't have anything really from the brand. I feel like a couple of things that I got in the Black Friday sale, but not really much. So I'm absolutely buzzing. And I know it was a more expensive box for £40. Normally boxes like that are a lot cheaper on TikTok. I looked on TikTok, I looked on their website, and it was totally different box to what was on their website, and the stuff on the website actually told you what was in each box, and I was like, meh. But this slapped. Like, this was, I'm buzzing with this. Like, I feel like this has been £40 well spent. I feel like I've got my money worth out of it. Whereas when I got that P. Louise mystery box, it was a shambles. It was so bad, like so bad. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. This in the Mitchell like £40 newness mystery box, they're the ones that have really, really impressed me recently. So yeah, I would definitely keep an eye on Beauty Bay, keep checking like new in just in case they do anything like this in the future. But do sign up to like Beauty Crop's website, because they do kind of like regularly send me emails when there's offers on. Or even, I think they did like, was it like Valentine's Day mystery boxes or something? Just for you to keep an eye out, just in case you want to get one, or if there's anything in the discount, in the sale that you want to pick up. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my mystery box. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think of the box down below, whether you think it's worth the £40 that I paid for it. And I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.